Welcome to QLM Business News. And now for today's news stories. Government contemplates action to rectify post office scandal injustices. The UK government is exploring measures to clear the names of over 700 sub-postmasters convicted in the notorious Post Office Horizon scandal. Convicted based on flawed software, these branch managers faced charges of false accounting, theft, and fraud. To date, less than 100 individuals have had their convictions overturned, prompting Prime Minister Rishi Sunak to consider potential interventions. The government is contemplating various options, including the possibility of stripping the Post Office of its role in the appeal process. Historically, the Post Office held the authority to initiate prosecutions and present evidence in court. However, the Crown Prosecution Service may now step in, along with its own legal representation, to handle ongoing appeals. The scandal, which originated in 1999, led to sub-postmasters grappling with overturned convictions and seeking compensation for financial losses caused by faulty Horizon accounting software. Many continue to fight for justice, facing significant personal financial burdens. Rishi Sunak acknowledged the severity of the situation, labeling it an appalling miscarriage of justice. The government is actively exploring legal complexities to rectify the wrongful treatment experienced by those affected. While the Post Office, a government-owned entity, has been instrumental in prosecuting sub-postmasters, concerns about its impartiality have emerged. The potential removal of its role in appeals may bring a more independent and unbiased process. The Justice Secretary, Alex Chalk, is scrutinizing options, seeking avenues to exonerate those convicted or re-evaluate the Post Office's involvement. Sunak emphasized the need to find ways to rectify the injustices faced by the wrongfully treated individuals. The scandal has prompted a broader public inquiry, and a compensation oversight board has advocated for overturning convictions of all wrongly accused Post Office staff. The Crown Prosecution Service could play a pivotal role in the appeals process, potentially necessitating additional resources and impacting other cases. Victims of the scandal express frustration with the lengthy appeals process and the battle for compensation, describing it as a traumatic experience. The ongoing investigation by the Metropolitan Police into potential fraud offences arising from the Post Office's prosecutions adds a layer of complexity to the situation. The public inquiry continues, with calls for accountability and retribution for those responsible. The recent ITV drama highlighting the scandal has brought new victims forward, emphasizing the widespread impact of the Post Office Horizon debacle. The government faces the challenge of addressing the complexities surrounding the scandal while ensuring a fair and just resolution for all affected parties. This news story is brought to you by QLM Business News, your digital media channel. Visit qlmbusinessnews.com. For more business news stories, also follow us on Facebook, X, and YouTube. To help QLM Business News bring you more news stories like this, please like, share and subscribe.